Well, this is Boatshed Cornwall, currently on board this Orkney Pilothouse 20. I'm just about to walk you around the cockpit and into the Pilothouse itself, so you can get an idea, in addition to the photos, what this little thing's all about. As in the details, you will notice this has been equipped with a diesel Cummins powertrain. That includes outdrive, which I'll show you later. So I'll just make my way forward into what is the Pilothouse, and as you can see, there's a nice helm station, helm controls, the helm seat, switch panel, electronics, nav aids, and then just forward of that is this wraparound seat arrangement with shelving outboard. I believe they're the cockpit cushions that are used out in the cockpit, of course, and then a nice little table. Similar on the port side, with a lot of kit stowed, including the owner's manual. And then on the port side itself is another seat, which actually hides what would be a cooker and a sink. And below that is a little with the water tank. So I'm pretty much inside the Pilothouse now itself, and just looking outboard. So I'm pretty much back where I started, effectively, in the cockpit, that is. So this pretty much concludes this deck tour of an interior tour of this Orkney Pilothouse. If you have any questions or would like to know more, then please do contact us at Boatshed Cornwall.